Good morning friends. Today I am going to discuss about polynomials. So to find the remainder there are two methods. First one is by long division method and the second one is by using the roots. So now if a polynomial is given, now if the question is something like that, divide x plus 3x square minus 1 by by 1 plus x by 1 plus x. So how can we do it? See, first polynomial is this one, x plus 3x square minus 1, and the second polynomial is 1 plus x. So how can you do this? How can you divide? For doing the divide, first we have to arrange the polynomials. See here, what is the polynomial given to us? X plus 3x square minus 1. So what is the degree of the polynomial? The degree of the polynomial is 2, because the highest power of this polynomial is 2. Okay, so we have to write the first we have to write the term having highest power first. Okay, we have to write the term with highest power first. So what is the term? 3x square, because here the power is 2. 3x square plus x minus 1 and here also what? 1 plus x. So we have to first, what is the degree of this polynomial? The degree of the polynomial 1 plus x is 1, because here the variable has the highest power 1. The variable has highest power 1. So first we have to write x plus 1. Now what we have to do? We have to divide this term 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1. Okay, so now this polynomial is the dividend. This polynomial is the dividend, and this polynomial x plus 1 is the divisor. Okay, so now what we have to do? See here the divisor is x plus 1, so we have to write this x plus 1 here, x plus 1. So Now we have to find out a number. Here the polynomial is how much? 3x square plus 1. So what is the first term of this dividend? The first term of the dividend is 3x square. So we have to write 3x square here. Square. So now we have to think that what I must multiply with this whole term so that the first term we get 3x square. Now after thinking we have find out that if I write here 3x, then it will become 3x square, because 3 thrice x into x will give me thrice x square. My aim is to get this thrice x square. So we have to think that by what term we can multiply this division x plus 1 so that we get thrice x square. So thrice x into x will give me thrice x square plus thrice x into 1. So thrice x into 1 will be thrice x. Understood? Now we have to write this whole term under the dividend. So that means what? If x plus 1 is multiplied with thrice x, we will get this term thrice x square plus thrice x. So x plus 1 into thrice x will give me how much? Thrice x square plus thrice x. Thrice x square plus thrice x. Okay, it is like our simple division only. Suppose if I take a simple division of say 58 divided by 2. 2 2 is 4. So when we multiply 2 with 2, then only we can write 4. Okay, 2 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 1. Okay, in the same manner I have written 2 into 2 will give me 4. Like thrice x into x plus 1 will give me thrice x square. Okay, so it is most similar. It is similar to our simple division of new number also. Okay, so now if we minus this whole term, this whole polynomial, thrice x square plus x minus 1 by thrice x square plus thrice x, what we get? See, we will write here minus. Understood? And here also minus. So this thrice x square minus thrice x square will get cancelled. So what is left? X minus thrice x will give me minus twice x. Then minus twice x. So then what we have to do? We have to bring minus 1 here. It is similar to that when we get 5 to 2 to 4, we have after doing minus 5 minus 4, we get how much? 1. So what we have to do then? The next step is we have to bring 8 here. Okay, similarly in case of polynomial also we have to bring the next term minus 1 here. Now we have to find out that, now again we have to write the divisor. The divisor x plus 1. We have to again write the divisor x plus 1. Now what is the term we have? We have the minus twice x. The first term is minus twice x. The first term is minus twice x. So we have to write minus twice x here. Okay, now what we have to multiply? With what number we have to multiply so that the first term we get minus twice x? If we multiply with minus 2, then minus twice x, minus 2 into plus 1 will give me, tell me friends, minus 2. Yes, right, minus 2. Now we have to write this number, this whole expression, minus twice x minus 2 here, minus twice x minus 2 here. Okay, now what is the coefficient? So if I multiply minus 2 with x plus 1, then only we get minus twice x minus 2. So minus 2, this minus 2 we have to write here. Twice x minus 2 we have to write here. So now again we have to minus this expression. We have to minus this expression twice x minus twice x minus 2 from minus twice x minus 1. So if we minus, then minus it will give me plus. Okay, and here also minus will give me plus. So what we get, this minus twice x minus plus 2 will get cancelled, and what is left behind, plus 2 minus 1 will give me 1. Okay, in earlier case also we have to minus thrice x square plus x, then I have here it was initially what, minus, so minus plus minus, and here also minus plus minus. So now the quotient we get as, now the quotient we get is, now the quotient we get is, thrice x minus 2, and the remainder we get, what we get, we get as 1. So in this way we can do the division by using the long division of polynomials by long division method. Okay friends, thank you.